The Phuket Horned Tree Agamid displays a distinct color pattern and possesses an array of horns that are positioned in a peculiar manner, setting it apart from all other known species on the planet. The Phuket Horned Tree Agamid, also known as Acanthosauria phuketensis, is a lizard species that is endemic to the island of Phuket in Thailand. It belongs to the Agamidae family, which is a diverse group of lizards that includes more than 350 species. One of the most distinctive features of the Phuket Horned Tree Agamid is its coloration. The species has a brownish-gray base color, with a series of darker brown stripes running down its back. The sides of the body are adorned with bright green or yellow scales, which contrast strikingly with the darker coloration. The lizard's eyes are also noteworthy, as they are a bright orange or reddish color. Unfortunately, the Phuket Horned Tree Agamid is facing threats due to habitat loss and the pet trade. Its forest habitat on the island of Phuket is being rapidly destroyed to make way for agriculture and urbanization, and the species is also targeted by collectors for the exotic pet trade. As a result, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, has listed the Phuket Horned Tree Agamid as vulnerable on its red list of threatened species. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Please also leave your comments and we love to hear from you.